Hello everyone and welcome to another science lesson with Teacher John. We've just started a new unit last week about technology, and I wanted to make an online lesson just so everyone can practice what we've covered so far in class. Okay, so this unit is all about technology and tools. So you might be wondering, what is technology? Well, let's read in our book. If you want to follow along, we are on page 49. 49. Okay. Technology. People ride in cars. People use computers. We can do these things because of technology. Technology is the use of science to solve problems. Very good definition. I would definitely study this if I were a student. Oh, and what do you know? I've got the vocabulary list right here. So technology, the use of science to solve problems. Now, sometimes people think that technology is only the stuff that uses electricity, like a computer, or a cell phone, or a TV. But there's many, many, many different kinds of technology. For example, a chair is a kind of technology. A pen is a kind of technology. And any simple machine, even a lever, as we will learn later on in the chapter, is technology. Okay, the use of science to solve problems. You might be asking, what is a problem? Don't worry, I've got it written down right here. A problem is something that causes trouble or worry. So, I have a problem. I can't talk to my dad. He's in America. So, I can use technology, my cell phone, to call him. Cool. Alright, so let's go back. Technology. Sometimes people use technology to invent things. Invent means to make something for the first time. So when I ask my students, what's an example of technology? Almost always someone will say, iPhone, iPhone, iPhone. And I'll ask, who invented the iPhone? Who was the first person to make an iPhone? And I think many of them are too young to know. Let's look it up. Steve Jobs. There's the man right here. Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs invented the iPhone. Invent. Okay. Technology has made many things easier for people. Cars and trains are technology. They help people travel long distances. However, technology does not solve every problem. Cars and trains can break and stop working. Tell one way computers help people. Tell one problem computers do not solve. Well, I can give an example. So one way computers help people is learning. Right now, I'm using a computer to record a video to help people learn all about science. But one problem that my computer does not help me with is when I'm hungry. If I'm hungry, my computer can't make me food. So that's one problem my computer cannot solve. But maybe I could order some food using the internet on my computer. Wow, so different kinds of technologies combined together can solve problems still. That maybe at first you think you can't solve it, but the more you think about it, maybe you can find a solution. Okay, so that's technology. What I want you to focus on are the words technology and invent. Okay, let's go on to our next page. Page 50 in our books. So I'm going to open with Paint. And let's go zoom out. This is page 50. Like I said, solve problems. Solve problems. Engineers are people who design new things. They look for better ways to solve problems. They use science and technology to invent, here's our words, technology and invent, and discover new things. Some people have trouble seeing. Like Teacher John, I have trouble seeing. People used technology to solve this problem. People invented glasses. Glasses help people see better. Glasses are technology. It says, underline a problem that technology solves. Okay, so we won't do that just because we don't have time, but here's different examples of technology that changed the world. The light bulb, the car, the airplane, the microwave. This is all stuff we use today. It's all stuff that's been around ever since I was born. Okay? And we will not do this right now. Alright, on to the next page. We're going to skip 51 and 52 and go straight to 53. Open it in Paint. Zoom out. And we are on to goals. A problem and a goal. Engineers think about a problem that needs to be solved. Then they set a goal to find a solution to the problem. A goal is something you want to do. A goal is something you want to do. Alright, so a goal is something you want to do. Every goal should start with I want to, and then you can write your goal because it's something you want to do. I think everyone should have a goal. A goal is so important in life. Chester Greenwood lived a long time ago in Maine. Here's a picture of Maine. It's very cold in Maine. Chester had a problem. His ears got very cold in the winter. He set a goal. He wanted to find a way to keep his ears warm. It says, think about a problem you want to solve. Write your goal. Okay, and this is something we did in class. So I had every student write their own goal. A lot of their goals were this. I want to learn English. That is a fantastic goal. I support that. I want to learn English. Okay? And furthermore, in class, I said, how will you use technology to achieve your goal? Achieve your goal. When you achieve your goal, it means you got what you wanted. So if your goal is, I spelled learn wrong. I want to learn English. You've achieved your goal after you have learned English. So I learned how to speak Thai using a computer. I think it is a great way to learn languages. So for technology, said I will use a computer. Okay, excellent. So that's a quick summary of what we have done so far in this new unit. The main takeaway I want you to come home with is this. Technology is used to solve problems. People must invent technology for the first time. People usually invent something after they have set a goal for themselves. So you say, I want to fly to the moon. Oh, the problem is I don't have a way to fly to the moon. I will invent a rocket to fly to the moon. I've invented a new technology, a rocket. Okay, so I just want you to connect all of these ideas and use your imagination. What problem would you like to solve? What technology can you use to solve your problem? What technology can you use to achieve your goal? Okay, so that's it for my science lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!